Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Math at Infinity. So I am doing a PG based subject, that is numerical analysis, and I am going to cover the following methods, that is bisection method, secant, regular falsy, Newton-Raphson, Muller's method, Chebyshev, and multipoint. And I have given the methods numbers, method 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, as I will be mentioning M1, M2 on my video title as well. I have completed one problem with the method of bisection. So guys, let's continue bisection method. Under bisection method, we have completed one simple problem to understand the method. Now let's go to a problem which has the trigonometric functions, and that is cos. So the problem is f of x is equal to cos x minus x e power x. Now looking at cos, it looks difficult, but the calculation is easy. Just like how we have substituted 0, we have to substitute 0 in the given equation, and let's calculate cos 0 on a calculator. First, press cos, put 0 like the equation, minus 0, and to get E you have to shift and press the button, in, and again put 0, so it is 1. Now we substitute 1, f of 1, that is cos 1 minus 1 e power 1. Same thing on the calculator. Once again, cos 1 minus 1, shift and in, and 1. So you get minus 2.1779, which is equal to minus 2.1779. Let's make a table. X, f of x. When we substituted 0, we got 1. When we substituted 1, we got minus 2.177. Basically take after decimal point 3, and that will be enough. So we have got our positive as well as a negative value. We know with the formula x1 is equal to a plus b by 2. We got a positive value and negative value, so we don't add f of x, we add a and b, that is 0 plus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5. So the root lies between a and b, that is 0 and 1. We find out f of x1. Substituting in the equation cos of 0.5 minus 0.5 e power 0.5. Same thing on the calculator, I will show you. Cos of 0.5 minus 0.5, 0.5, shift and in, e power 0.5. So you got 0.0532. This is a value, so it is a positive value. So f of x1 is greater than 0. F of x1 is greater than 0. We had taken f of a is greater than 0 over here. I did not mention f of a is greater than 0 and f of b is less than 0. Now we have got f of x1 is greater than 0. So we will take this. x1 is greater than 0 and f of b is less than 0. So the value of x1 is here 0.5. The value is 0.5 of x1. So we will take x1 0.5, that is x2 is equal to 0.5 plus f of b value is 1. This is 1. b value by 2, which is equal to 0.75. Now again substituting this, f of x2 is equal to cos of 0.75 minus 0.75 e power 0.75. So the value which you get is minus 0.856, which is less than 0. So now we have got a value which is less than 0, and in the previous one we had taken x1 is greater than 0, that will be the same, x1 is greater than 0, and it was f of b less than 0, but now we have got another value which is less than 0. So we will take the recent value, that is x2 is less than 0. Now x1 for x3, x1 value we had got 0.5 plus x2 value we got 0.75 by 2, which is equal to 0.625. Now 0.625 again you have to substitute in the equation, that is f of x3 is equal to, after substituting 0.625 in the equation, you get the value as minus 3567, which is again less than 0. Yes, so we had taken as x2 is less than 0. Now we got another value which is x3 less than 0. So the previous one was x1 is greater than 0. Now x3 is less than 0. So x1 was 0.5 plus x3, here we got 0.625 by 2, which is equal to 0.5625. Sorry, x4 is equal to. Now we substitute f of x4 in the equation and we get minus 0.1413, which is again less than 0. Now if they tell you to find out 5 iterations, you have to continue like this till x5 and stop. Well, now x1 was greater than 0 and x4 is less than 0. So the root lies between x1 is greater than 0 and x4 is less than 0. So the value of x1 was 0.5 and x4 we got as 0.5625. Don't mistake by taking the value of f of x4. No, you have to take the value of x4, which is a plus b by 2. Here we are finding x5. So therefore we get 0.53125, and again after substituting f of x5 we get minus 0.0415, which is less than 0. So the root lies between x1 and x5. Therefore 0.5 plus x5 value is 0.53125 by 2. This will be the 5th iteration, and the approximate value you have to write the statement as the approximate midpoint of x1 and x5 is this, which is a 0.0515. So your answer ends here. When they tell you to take 5 iterations, this is the method. If there are any problems related to PG based or any maths topic, you can comment down below. I will surely make a video on it. Please do like, share and subscribe guys. Take care. Thanks for watching.